Alright, real question. What's the one thing in your house that can ruin your entire day in seconds?
Daddy, wait! Dad, it's broken!
With 4 kids, our house is basically controlled chaos. And when something like this happens, everything stops. So we decided enough is enough. This video is sponsored by HOROW, and this is their X70 Smart Toilet. And I'm not exaggerating, this might be one of the smartest upgrades we've ever made. First off, this thing flushes, like really flushes. It's got a powerful pump system, works even with low water pressure, and we haven't had a single clog since we installed it. And that's saying something. And it's super quiet, which honestly matters more than you think. But this is where it gets crazy. It actually cleans itself. The UV sterilization triple filtration system, self-cleaning nozzle, plus electrolyzed water cleans the bowl automatically. And the foam shield forms a protective layer before use to reduce splash and odors. Everything is designed to keep it as hygienic as possible. And with little kids, that peace of mind is huge. Plus, my wife doesn't have to worry about cleaning it as much anymore.